Hi, this is Miss Fusaro, and I am going to show you how to use the blogging sheets. This will show you when your blog is due, how to follow along on the blogging sheet, what you're supposed to do with the blog, when you're supposed to submit your blog, and to whom. So you're going to open up the blogging sheet, which you'll find on the syllabus under Blogger in the important links area, and over here on the first page is going to be how to use the blogging spreadsheet. So you'll always have this front guide. You will have, I didn't create them yet because we don't have the full list of all the students, but you will have 3 following sheets for all the different class periods, which you will click to the tab of your own class period to follow along. But this is how to read it so you have an understanding. Everything is color coded. It's the easiest way to follow along, but blogs go in alphabetical order. And you're going to find your name. It's in alphabetical order. It'll be with your email address, and it'll tell you what date your blog is due. Okay, so that's the date that your blog is actually due, which means you need to make sure to submit the blog to the blog wizard before that date, because that's the date that I'm going to look to see that it's already been published. So even though it's due on that date, you should really submit it beforehand, because I'm checking at 8 a.m. that morning to make sure that it's been published. So it's due on that date means to submit before. Okay, what the color codes actually mean. The first one, most important one, and that's why it's separated from the others, is that light blue. That's the blog wizard. You should have multiple blog wizards in your class. Those are the people you're going to send your blog to. Make sure you're sending your blog to all the blog wizards in the class, just in case one person had a late night or somebody else missed it or it went to their spam, whatever the case is. You want to email it to all of the blog wizards. This way, one of them is sure to post it on the blog. Okay, that's why everybody's email is published for everyone to see. We use the DO email. If they have a preferred email address, they'll let you know about that. Now, as far as the other color codes, blog submitted. So once the blog wizard has received your blog and published it on the blog, they will turn your cell yellow for that date. Only the blog wizard will turn the cell yellow. That indicates to me when I go check the sheets, okay, this student has submitted their blog, and when I go check the blog, I know to look for it there. The green is after I've read your blog and made the assessment. I'm the only one who can turn a cell green, because that indicates to me that it's already been read and assessed and I've given feedback for the blog. That's how we keep track of everything. Red, I will turn a cell red if I cannot find the blog, if it's missing. That indicates to you, hey, if you already sent it to the blog wizard and you see that the cell is red, you need to go talk to the blog wizard. Like, hey, did you get my blog? What happened to it? Or maybe you didn't submit it at all. Again, you need to have a conversation with the blog wizard to make sure that you're getting your blog in. Okay, so those are the main color codes. The yellow, the blog's been submitted, the wizard switched it to yellow. Green, I'm the only one who switches it to green. Red, I'm the only one who switches it to red. And blue lets us know who the blog wizards are. Again, date due. If you want to be on time, you want to submit it beforehand. If you have any questions, please email me, kfusaropizzo@schools.nyc.gov. Thank you.